How can we unblock someone in the RedNote app? Have you accidentally blocked a user in the RedNote app, or you've simply changed your mind and now want to unblock that person, whether it's a friend, a family member, or a popular account? We can start by opening the RedNote app on our iPhone or our Android device, and then we're going to go over to our profile by tapping on this icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. We're on our RedNote profile, and the next step is to find the blocked users list in order to unblock a specific person. In order to do that, I'm going to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen until this side menu appears. Now find and click on this little gear icon at the bottom, and that is going to open our app settings. Click on this privacy settings option, and then go to the bottom of this page until you see the blocked users section. When I open this, it's going to show me a list of all the users which I had blocked in the RedNote app, so I'll tap on the user which I want to unblock, and that will open their profile. You can either click on this red unblock button, but if you don't see it here for some reason, select the 3 dots which are located in the top right corner, then tap on this unblock option. That is essentially it, everyone. You now know how to unblock a person in the RedNote app. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.